Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making something nice and comforting, my version of minestrone. It's simple, healthy, and honestly so delicious. Let's get started. So here's what I'm using today: chicken, onions, garlic, and ginger, peas, carrots, and potatoes. Nothing fancy, just good, fresh ingredients that come together beautifully. My chicken is already in the pot, so now it's time to build up the flavor. I added some onions first, then in goes the garlic and ginger. The smell already makes me happy. Next, I add my peas cube for extra flavor, a bit of salt, and give everything a good stir. Then I pour in some water, cover the pot, and let it cook for a while. While that is cooking, I go ahead and cut my carrots and potato into smaller pieces. Nothing too fancy, just nice, and even so they cook well. After a few minutes, I open the pot and add my carrot and potato. Then I drizzle in a bit of olive oil, sprinkle some mixed peppercorn, give it a quick stir, and cover it again to let everything cook together nicely. What I love about this minestrone is that it's not only tasty but also so good for you. The chicken gives you protein, the veggies add fibers and vitamins, and that olive oil brings some healthy fat. It's comfort food that actually love you back. Overall benefits of minestrone: strengthen your immune system, boost your energy, support your heart health, promote healthy digestion, provide a balanced mix of protein, fiber, vitamin, and minerals. After a few more minutes, I give it a taste, and wow, it's already tasty so good. I let it cook a little longer just to make sure everything is soft and flavorful. Wow, just take a look at it. The aroma of the ginger and garlic is overwhelming. I love it because the primary ingredient of this meal is garlic and ginger, and you know what ginger does to the body. It's also good for your children. I eat minestrone every week in my house. We don't skip it because it's winter period, so you got to use it as a medicine to keep your body and soul together, especially for children. When children are having runny nose and running temperature that is not too serious, is also good. It serves as medicine for children. I've tried it, I tasted it, and it worked like magic. And that is it. My minestrone is ready. Time to give it a final taste. And honestly, it's so delicious, warm, cozy, and full of flavor. Just perfect for any day. Very, very sweet, tasty, yummy. Like, this minestrone is medicinal because it had a lot of ginger and garlic, and you know what ginger and garlic does to the body, and piselli and carrots. Like, this is a 5-star minestrone. It's perfect for dinner. Like, the ginger, the garlic, everything. Like, it can cure fever. Literally, it can cure fever. So Normally what I do is when I'm feeling kind of feverish, like I just cook minestrone and then yeah, you have to eat and fever will go away. So that's my that's my kind of native way of cooking fever drugs, if that makes sense. If you enjoyed watching, don't forget to like the video, leave me a comment, and subscribe for more simple, tasty recipe. Thanks for hanging out with me. See you in my next video and stay blessed and I love you all. Bye. Mwah.